To know from you, Mr. Sandeep, about this whole campaign.
So we just wanted to get a good experience to the customer first. So we always try to do something unique and innovative, so the customer get good experience about it, and we now we are trying to go it for the mid of the year and having a blast in the mid of the year for the unboxing.
So, what's your take on this?
Actually, our source of inspiration of doing this event is our customers. Our customers have been our source of inspiration for everything we do. So when we decided that we are going to do world's first unboxing event, and that too in an aeroplane, so you would know that there are a lot of rules involved and it's not very easy to do these events. But all this hard work is because we wanted to give a good experience to our customers. Our customers have been the centers for all the events or all the activities we do. So it's all for our customers.
What's the feedback that you got from the customers? Because this is something unique.
Actually, our customers have been very elated and surprised that okay, why you're doing it in the mid-air. And some of them are the first-time flyers, so it is their first experience to be in an aeroplane. So we are very proud as Top 10 and Oppo that we've been given this opportunity to take them 40,000 feet high and unbox the phone that they are buying.
Talking about the technology, what's new, what's different?
It's different about the AI. You can see that very innovative AI features we have in this phone, Nintendo 12 series. So you can say when we click the pictures, the unwanted pictures comes around in your background and you don't wanted that pictures. So within a one click you can remove all the pictures and only the pictures what you have is yours, and that gives the amazing experience to you. So you can share it on your social media, your Facebook, your Instagram and everywhere. So you feel it's my what a lovely pic, and that was a unique pic I had it, and I wanted to share it to my friends and everything.
It's not just the air we've heard, it's going to be on land and in middle of the sea also. Tell us about that.
So actually what we decided is that we want to give a lot of unique experience to our customers. This being one of the events where we are taking the customers in the sky in an aeroplane, which has never been done before, and we want to do such future events on land, in sea, wherever possible. And it's more about giving that experience, a memorable experience to the customers, having that unique thought whenever they think about Top 10 and Oppo. We want them to think differently, uniquely. That's why we are doing something of this sort.
So how's the feedback been? Are they willing to be, participating in something? Are there any challenges from the customers? Are they willing to travel and experience all the things?
Actually, we've been very fortunate. Our customers, like I told you, our source of inspiration is our customers. Because of them, we've been able to do this event, and they are more than happy to participate in such events. Unfortunately, we are not able to take all of our customers because the plane has a capacity of only 180 seats. So in that way, we are very sad that we are not able to take all the customers who booked the phone from us. But very lucky, few customers have been able to participate and come. Yes, and there have been no problems as such. Customers have been more than willing to participate in such events, and as I said, that they are source of our inspiration.
What about the safety of the customers when they travel?
सर इधर ज्यादा उठा लिया यार तुमने फोन, नीचे करो नीचे यार राइट सर यहाँ पे राइट सर राइट सर यहाँ पे लेफ्ट राइट सर आप ही थैंक यू हाँ भाई फोन पीछे बस हो गया नहीं देगा एरोप्लेन हो गया चलो रेडी। यहाँ देखिए सब लोग यहाँ देखिए, लेफ्ट राइट सीधा।
अमन शेख जी आप भी आ जाए प्लीज।
ऊपर जैसा कोई फोन नहीं सच में भाई।
I'd like to also call Mr. Aman Sheikh please, Mr. Sandeep, Mr. Chintan.
आलोक जी जाइए। यहाँ देखिए क्या है, ये लेफ्ट है राइट है? लेफ्ट
Alright,
में देखिए।
everyone in the house, let's hear it for Oppo. 3 cheers, hip hip. हाथ ऊपर करके hip hip. Hip hip. Superb. Thank you very much. Can we have a huge round of applause for Oppo and the top 10? Everyone, come on. And now everyone smile.
One more. Madam, one more.
One more. Please do it again. Do it again.
Okay, one more time. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, ये थोड़ा और energetic होना चाहिए और धमाके